I reinvent myself from time to time. What does reinvent means? Doing the same things in a different way. I'm talking about the reset button. I have to evaluate myself from time to time. I believe that. And I follow the simple method USP. That is, U stand for unique abilities, S stand for stay connected, and P stand for prospects up. This helps me to reach to the next level by understanding my unique abilities, working on it, polish it from time to time, by staying connected with my customer. I do like gratitude day functions, also many functions like opening of my new office. Then last but not least, prospects up. We all works on an existing client base. Normally, we don't add new customer. We stop doing the things which we used to do. And that is the reason that what MDRT tells, the new agents are more successful than existing agents. But I continuously do prospects up, adding new clients to my customer who are not through referral, meeting unknown customers. That helps me to stay on the top of the game. The salesperson, normally in the customer eyes, are always a salesperson. But with me, over the years, I had made a difference by maintaining a good relationship with them. I believe time is not money, but relationship is money. So I maintain a very good relationship with my customer. I'm talking about the relationship not as if calling them home or going to their home on a frequently basis or maintaining a relationship, but relationship of doing what you do the best. Be a professional with full professional ethics. I believe if we do our job on a professional and ethical basis and deliver the best to the customer, the world best to the customer, he will always be yours. So I maintain a very good relationship, stay connected with them time to time in all their events, not the regular events like birthdays and all that, but otherwise also, and especially in their bad times. I'm with them. I'm always assured that because I believe if I'm out of the sight, I'm out of the mind. So I'm always in front of them, maybe by my communication, my quarterly magazines, which I deliver to them, Companion for Life, my regular newsletter every month, which goes as a dashboard on their mails, by different greetings, because we get n number of opportunity to get in connected. Also writing some personal notes, like when I'm out in holidays, I write to them a simple message or a card that for next 15 days I will not be available. If you need any help, I'm always. So I always be there in front of them. That helps me to be a trusted advisor than to just a salesman.